Just woke up and it is 12. I slept late yesterday, but this is super late to wake up. And the weather is also very weird. I didn't film the whole thing because this took a lot longer than it looks. Whoa. New house. Done. We will water for. And then I had to improvise because Monstera wasn't stable at first, but I figured something out. Cleanup always feels like a closure. I like things better after this part. Well, we have finally finished the sorting of garbage, which is recycling versus garbage versus the things to donate. And now it's time to get it to the garbage room. And this is what it looks like. All the green ones are recycling except this. And this is what we are going to donate. Adulting max. So let's get it going. See you later. Also, I was really hungry and I did not want to cook because I'm tired and I still have to edit. So I ordered myself nice biryani and a DQ. Well. There we go. This is some mutton biryani with raita and I am going to enjoy every bite of this because I deserved it. Because I deserve it. Hello. I'm almost done for today. It is 8:30 here and I just finished editing. I I had my dinner and now I'm going to have some ice cream and go to sleep. I almost finished whatever I intended to, other than one thing. I wanted to donate some stuff, but it was raining outside, so that did not happen. But I did some sorting, I repotted my plants, I filmed, and I edited, and yeah, I played with Nelly, I painted, and that is it. That is it for today. So I am going to go. I don't know if I'm going to take you on the bed. So dirty. But that is it. Boy, boy, boy.